Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely stunning Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. This is a 2023 bike on a 23 plate with just 6,252 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike is in excellent condition and comes in the factory colour scheme of this model year, which is the red and black with the red seat. All looking really, really good here. All nice and clean and tidy. No marks or tears or damage to the seat. The tank in excellent condition. You've got these very nice Aprilia styled tank pads there as well. Bar ends and the lever and the mirror all in excellent condition, just like the rest of this bike. It really is lovely. You've got the sports screen fitted there as well, which is tinted. All the bodywork there looking really, really good. No sign of any damage anywhere. Belly pan all good as well. GB Racing engine covers as well, just to keep the engine nice and safe. You've got the Aprilia Akrapovič carbon fibre silencer as well, which sounds fantastic, and of course everybody wants on this model. The rear tyre, plenty of tread left on that one, and the rear wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches there, and the swinging arm likewise in excellent condition. Electronic Öhlins suspension on this factory model, of course, and that's all in great condition as well. So the front end of the bike, again, all good condition here. There's your Öhlins suspension. There's an Aprilia radiator guard as well. At the front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. Of course, you've got traction control, anti-lock brakes, various rider modes, all the stuff you'd usually get on a Superbike, just in naked form. The front tyre, plenty of tread left on that one as well, and the front mudguard in excellent condition. The front of the bike, no stone chips, no cracks, no damage. No damage to the headlamps either, and the screen is unmarked. The left hand side of the bike, again, excellent condition here with nothing to apologise for. The mirror, great condition there, no damage on the bar end. All the lever, all the fairing there, such as it is. They say it's a naked bike, but it's actually got a small fairing. As you can see, all in great condition. Fork leg there, all good, as is the front wheel. Belly pan, that's all good as well. GB Racing engine covers on this side as well. Petrol tank all in fantastic condition, as is the frame. Up and down quick shifter, of course, on this bike, as you'd expect. Chain sprockets all in excellent condition. Bags of life left in those, and the rear wheel on this side also in excellent condition. A quick look in there, rear shock. Again, as you can see, Öhlins there. The rear of the bike, all in great condition as well. No scratches there. And the top, as you can see, all in superb condition. Aprilia tank pad on the back of the tank as well. There's a colour dash, and you also get cruise control on this stunning bike. So if you are looking for a super naked, look no further than this stunning Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Tuono, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.